simple things you can do if you're going to a drinks party at this time of year to help you stay on track and not to fall off the side of eating lots of unhealthy foods that you may well regret the next day. So my first tip is to not arrive at a drinks party hungry. What happens is that we then just dive into the canapes and other food that might be around. And a lot of those are pastries or salted nuts and crisps that are really going to be more prone to make you gain weight over this time of year. Now, my advice is to have something like a small protein smoothie using really good quality protein powder. I like pea protein, or maybe a couple of oat cakes with peanuts or other nut butter on the top. The protein is going to keep you fuller for longer, and it's not going to give you so much food that you don't want anything once you're at the drinks party, but it's going to stop you diving in to those unhealthy snacks, especially when you start drinking alcohol early on in the evening.